Hey guys, welcome to 110 Hobbies. I'm Paul, and this is a box opening review of these really cool little fart carts. Everyone loves dirty jokes, right? Let's dig in. All right, so we just got these little guys in, and they're so new, in fact, I couldn't find any YouTube videos based on these. So this is not something that we typically do here on this channel. We focus more on radio control stuff, but as a retailer, I wanted some information myself, generally how big they were, how they worked, what, and exactly what they did. So this might help retailers, this will help the end user yourself, to further educate you as to what these really cool little toys are. So as you can maybe hear, I'll bring it up to the camera here, and you push this little button. They make a fart sound. So I've yet to open one of these up to see exactly what they do and when they do the fart sound, if you have to push the button or not. So as you can see here, we've got the cool wipes. He's got toilet paper head. We've got Captain Corn. He's got a corn head. The S Kid, which has got a what looks like a poo emoji style head, and the Stench, which has got what appears to be underwear on his face. So let's dig into these and see exactly what the deal is, and see how fun they can be. All right, so let's dig into the Stench here. Let's have a look. Let's open this guy up, kind of go through exactly what you need to do out of the box and how they work. Now I see another piece of tape here. I'll open that up. I'm sure most of y'all can figure out how to open a box, but people have surprised me before. Yeah, so it appears, is that metal? Might be metal. It looks metal. It's shiny like metal. He's plastic himself. He's got a little fly flying behind him, as he is indeed the Stench. So let's dig into this. You're gonna need a screwdriver to get access to this guy. Not easy to get out. Oops. Excuse me. All right. Oh geez. Sorry about that. All right. So we've got him out. All right. So he's good weight, and yeah. So these are metal. I can see the threads inside here. They're actually a metal. They're serial numbered and everything. And so let's see. Now, apparently you pull them back and let them go. Yeah, they seem to go pretty good. I was sort of hoping that they would make the sound, you know, the fart sound as you pulled them back. But I suppose you could, you know, push the button. Make them fart just before you go. They seem like pretty good quality. They are die cast, so this is a Jada toy. So as you know, they make a lot of toys. They make some die cast stuff. So these are actually rubber tires on here. Is that a rubber tire? Yeah, it's totally a rubber tire. You know, these are pretty cool, pretty detailed little things for the price. Here in Canada, they retail for $13.99, but in the States, I've seen them for $9.99, so that seems about accurate. Let's open another one. Let's have a look. Let's see what they all look like. Well, there we go. I opened them all up, get a closer look. They all have fairly good detail. I think this one's my favorite. Tell me in the comments what one you guys like the best and what ones you think they should add to the line. I mean, I think these are pretty good. They pretty much nailed it. I don't think it ever gets old. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining me. That was my real quick unboxing and review of the Fart Kart by Jada.